Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by and checking this out. I hope that this video inspires you to look at Dollar Tree a little differently in your DIYs. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate the support. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see, and let's jump in, as I'm obviously already doing. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a coat closet organization. I've had this coat closet that has really just been kind of stressing me out for a long time now. And it's just, we had a tension rod in it, and the tension rod kept falling down, and there was just no organization, no rhyme or reason to anything. And everything just kind of ended up on the floor. So what you see me doing here is taking everything out of the closet. And what I like to do when I'm organizing is I like to keep things in separate piles or bins or categories, just so that I can visually see what I'm working with. And as you can see here, those were all the adult coats. These were, this bag was some donation things that I no longer needed. My daughter's coats. We had some scarves and some travel pillows there on the floor, and then our hats and gloves and earmuffs here on my desk. So now what I'm doing is just getting the closet ready to be everything to be put back in and organized. And I love these LED lights, guys. If you haven't started using them, they're amazing. And like, I mean, look, from before to when I have the LED lights on, it's just, I mean, they're at the dollar store, they're $1. They take 3 AAA batteries. There's my husband. And they're a push on, push off. I have just discovered these in the past couple of weeks, and I'm not kidding when I tell you I think I have 12 of them in my house, in closets, in my daughter's bookcase so she can see her books. They're awesome. So here I am. So this project is really just my scrap project. I have this scrap wood that I cut out to install the beams for this rod, and it was as easy as that. So what you're seeing here is the new rod. It is not a brand new rod, I'll tell you that. It is an old rod. That fell down on me. An old rod that we just cut to size and put in with those wood piece brackets. And even though it's older scrap, it has saved my life. So I am so thankful for this old rod and the old wood that we repurposed in this closet to give some life and organization to this space. We're, in New Jersey, and especially this time of year when we're actually using this closet, because in, summer months, we kind of forget this even exists. And then when we're looking for our coats in the fall and the winter, it has been just too cluttered. So I picked up these bins that you were just seeing, these gray bins from the Dollar Tree. I love them. And I'll show you in a little bit what I ended up using them for and how I'm going to store in them. But I've had this shoe rack organizer actually screwed into the back of this coat closet door for a while. And it has been such a lifesaver for scarves and earmuffs and gloves, and actually just use each individual pocket for storing all of those items. And that is one thing that was in the closet before that I like to keep in the closet. It just gets cluttered, as we start using the items, and if we're not putting them back the right space. So I just wanted to reorganize that. And so my bag always had been dumped, and now I have a nice hook, and this is what I was talking about with those bins. I love that they're dry erase, and I was able to put on the outside whatever I was going to be using it for, so that's amazing. And so here I'm just showing you those awesome push on, push off LED lights that I'm obsessed with, that we have hidden in the corners. And this is the final look, and I'm so happy with the organization. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd love to have you stick around, hit that subscribe button so you're notified of all my future videos, and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!